Hey, it's Arie here, and welcome to another video on my channel. This video, if you probably can already tell already, this is going to be a little bit different from all the other videos I've been doing as of recent. For this video in particular, I just want to say Happy New Year, Happy 2021, and most importantly, fuck 2020. So that's this is my New Year's attire that I have right here. But for this video in particular, this is going to be kind of more off the cuff. This isn't going to be script or anything along those lines. I don't have my editor that I had for my older videos for this one. I just want to kind of, I guess you could say, do a little bit more of a vlog style video and kind of talk about my biggest goal for 2021. My biggest goal moving forward, specifically within the first half or maybe even first quarter of 2021, the biggest thing that I would like to change moving forward. And I thought I would share this out there, kind of hopefully to maybe inspire some of you that maybe are on a similar path, as I am. But also, I want to make this video as kind of like a memory. It's something to look back on. Something that I might look back on a year from now. When 2022 is around the corner, or maybe even just a few months down the road. Depending on how things go, right? So my biggest goal for 2021, the thing that I absolutely just am aiming for, more than anything else, is going full-time in my online business. That is my number one goal for 2021, is getting to a point where I can comfortably walk out of my job, that I'm currently at right now, walking out of my job and just going full-time in the business. And this is something that I've wanted for a very long time, since like mid 2017. In fact, I remember the day just like it was yesterday. I discovered the whole online marketing stuff just on complete accident, and it was basically through research. Right, I was looking up, okay, what are some jobs in my local area, and that's what I was looking up. I didn't have any intention whatsoever to start an online business and get into affiliate marketing and all this stuff. But long story short, I came across this ad, this very clickbait ad, and it led me to some scam site. I did some research, found out it was a scam, and then the article that I was reading recommended getting into affiliate marketing. They said, like, if you want to really learn how to make money online, check out affiliate marketing, check out this program that I'm a part of, and that's exactly what I did. And that was kind of how my journey started all the way back in mid 2017, right? So, from that point on, I just went all in with affiliate marketing, and I was just continuously learning and learning and learning, implementing all these different strategies, trying to do everything that I could to make money online as quickly as possible. And, the biggest problem that I had, from 2017 to 2019 was I was very all over the place, right? I would join all these different programs. I would, learn a little bit here, a little bit over here, a little bit over here. I would, take some action. I would get into, some momentum going, but then I would, either not get the results, or I would get maybe like a teeny bit of results somewhere, and then I would kind of like, drop off of that. I would move on to something else, and I was just very unfocused overall, right? So it wasn't until 2019, like mid 2019, was when I kind of discovered that YouTube was the path that I wanted to take. I wanted to learn how to get really good at video. I wanted to learn how to grow a YouTube channel and use that to promote different programs that I was a part of and all that type of stuff, right? So that was the path that I decided to take in 2019, and that right there, that decision that I made in summer 2019, I'd say hands down is the best decision that I made, because it's the very thing that led me to getting my very first breakthrough online, which happened in March 2020, right? So I remember the exact date, March 20th of 2020. I remember coming home from work, and I just, I happened to check my email. I think I was like at like KFC earlier or something like that, right? I happened to come home from work. I checked my email, and then I saw two emails that said, "Shiki boom, you made your first sale," or you made another sale online, right? So I check it, and there was like a $300 or something sale, and then like 200 something, and then there was like another sale that I seen from like February that I didn't even know about yet. And I remember logging into my affiliate account and seeing that I'd made $722.01. I remember the exact commission amount, and it was just super exciting for me, because getting to that point, where prior I wasn't really making anything whatsoever, to all of a sudden, boom, here's $700 that you made, within like your first month or something like that, right? It was just insane for someone like myself who had been previously trying out all these different things, trying program after program after program, and getting very little to no results, getting like an odd $10 commission here and there, and then just getting all depressed and that type of stuff. That was huge for me because that just proved to me that hey, I could do this. I could follow in the footsteps of other people and do exactly what is working, right? So my main reason for starting YouTube is because, well, I've seen other people having success with it, and I decided that, well, if others can do it, why can't I do the same as well, right? So that was what led me to getting on that path and deciding that this was what I wanted to focus on moving forward. And moving into 2021, I'd say my biggest goal for 2021 is quitting my job, getting to a full-time income, and getting to a point where I can comfortably walk out of my job and go full-time. Now, currently right now, I'm getting some pretty good, consistent sales here and there. They are coming in fairly consistently, and for the most part, I'd get like a couple hundred. I don't want to say a couple $100, like a little over $1,000, per month, including YouTube AdSense and also with affiliate commissions. So in my case, I guess the biggest issue that I had was I was promoting like kind of like mid-ticket affiliate programs. Specifically, there was one program that I was really promoting pretty heavily in 2020. But moving into 2021, I've decided to kind of shift my focus, and I've kind of shifted away from that program and am focusing more on something else, right? So if you've been following any of my recent videos, you probably know exactly what I'm referring to. You know exactly what program I'm part of right now and what I'm really focusing on. And the reason why I became really just excited about that, and the thing that really kind of sparked my interest more, was because I seen that tons of members, tons of completely brand new members, were getting phenomenal results of this program. And by the way, if you want to check this out, for yourself, if you want to check out the exact program that I'm currently leveraging, the one that I'm currently focusing on right now, there's going to be a link down below. You could check that out if you, of course, want to learn more about it. But this program in particular pays out from multiple different income streams. There are 4 in particular as of right now, and you can get commissions $1,000 per sale, $2,000 per sale, and this is something that I looking back on, I feel like I should have focused more on in the previously that I've been online, but for some reason I was always kind of hesitant to promote programs that were like $1,000 or more for some reason. I don't know why. I always believed that high ticket was the best, but for some reason the programs that I was promoting weren't actually paying that, right? So that was kind of something that I felt kind of held me back from really getting to the income goal that I was really looking for, and it kind of kept me in like kind of mediocrity, right? So that was one big mistake that I made. Another thing that I'm looking to change for 2021 is doing emails more consistently, right? So of course, they say that your email list is your biggest asset, which is very true. And for some reason, in my case, I tend to procrastinate on a lot of things. Like in my case, one really bad habit that I have is, I tend to focus really deep into one thing, but then I get so focused in that everything else that's important, I tend to kind of like not focus on, right? So for example, in my case, I focused very heavily on YouTube in the year 2020, right? I was consistently putting out videos, sometimes 5 days out of the week. There was one point where I did like 100 days in a row, uploading once every day for 100 days straight. Then I was doing like 3 videos per week, but they were like more high quality. And then now I'm kind of going back, kind of scaling a little bit back, but going to 5 videos per week, right? So I've been kind of I made a lot of changes then, but the one thing that I feel I haven't really been doing as consistently as I should have is being, consistent on other platforms as well, like Facebook, like my own email list and that type of stuff. And that's the main thing that I'm looking to really improve upon in 2021, right? So at the same time, I do think that New Year's resolutions are a little bit overrated. I believe that if you truly want to change something, you shouldn't just wait till the new year comes, because typically what tends to happen is you say that you're going to do something, and then, for whatever reason, after like 2 weeks, you kind of just give up on it, right? So, yeah, anyway, so my main goal is to get to a point where I could fully quit my job, and for me, that would be at least, I would say, $3,000 per month, or maybe $4,000 would be, really great goal to go for. I know for a fact that with $3,000 a month, I can comfortably quit my job and know that I could just focus on the business full time, and of course grow that much further, right? So that is my main goal as of right now. But anyways, thought I would just put this out there. If you are currently in a job right now, I'm kind of curious to hear what it is that you're doing. So let me know in the comments down below what is it you're currently doing. I won't reveal exactly what I'm doing, but it's some sort of like retail position is currently what I'm doing. So it's okay for what it is. It's temporary, but this is really the main thing that I've always wanted, right? So just thought I'd put this out there as kind of like a vlog, kind of personal type video, and I'm kind of curious to hear what you guys think of this exact video. If you enjoyed this video for whatever reason, if you enjoyed this video and you want to, if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below. I'm not sure if I'll keep doing videos like this, but I'd be kind of interested to hear your thoughts. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below if you got value out of this video, and let me know what your biggest takeaway was from this exact video, right? I'm giving like so many different call to actions here. I think it's kind of ridiculous. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Let me know what you're currently doing, what you're looking to change, for the better in 2021. And, anything that you want to add, regarding, this whole COVID pandemic thing or whatever, predictions or whatever it is that you have. I guess you could feel free to drop that in the comments down below as well, right? Anyways, I know I've given a lot of different call to actions in this video. It's kind of all over the place, super off the cuff, but just thought I'd put this out there. But anyways, hopefully you got value here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. So that a million times, and take care.